Hi guys, it is Saturday afternoon. It's sunny, it's frizzy hair day. I'm gonna show you really quick what my garden looks like here. Let's try again. Hi guys, it's Saturday afternoon. I wanted to show you what my garden's looking like. I haven't done anything since my last video. We have some rain coming in the next day or two. Right now, as you could tell, we have beautiful blue skies. But I thought I'd show you what's going on down here as it is. So the gardening guys came through yesterday with their air blowers, and my garden still looks okay. The hostas are doing well. This guy has fallen to pieces here, so I know what to expect from him. I still have the gap there, and everything is starting to die back. Except these guys. And look at these. These are my purple hearts here. And they're still getting like full blooms, all of them. I mean, this guy is super heavy, top heavy, but look at that. Still, look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what to expect from these. I'll be honest, I've been really lazy about doing any homework on them. Anyhow, since we have that rain coming, I'm not sure what to do. I didn't really want to come out and garden today, but I don't know. I've gotten a lot of advice about how it's really best just to cut it back so none of the energy goes into the plants, in the top growth, and all the energy is focused into the roots. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. Hello everyone, it is Saturday afternoon. I thought I'd do a quick update on what my garden's doing right now. I have not touched it since my last video when I did a little bit of deadheading. We have got a beautiful day ahead of us. Can you see those gorgeous skies back there? But we got a whole lot of rain coming our way, so that's going to change everything, which is good for the garden because it's been so dry. You've heard me talk about that through my videos, but I'm not in a mood to come out here and do any work, so I'm kind of hoping the rain holds off just a little bit. But let me show you what's going on here and you'll see what I'm talking about. So everything seems to be doing really well. These are all of the daylilies that I've planted, Mexican petunias. You'll see a few weeds mixed in here, but oops. Those are my hostas. They took well. This is the purple shiso. The one that I wanted to plant back over here, I've got two of them. You've heard me talk about these. There's one here that I want to plant in that corner, and this one over here, which I want to plant over there because I don't know what else to do with it. But this one looks like it's really dying back. Okay. The cone flowers are starting to fade. But these purple hearts are doing fantastic. I mean, I still got like full blooms coming in. Look at how pretty these little guys are. And this is like, I'm 2 days away from like Halloween. Look at that guy over there. Let's do a zoom. I mean, you could still just look at the flowers blooming on them. They're beautiful, but it's top heavy, so I don't know. This is something I got to figure out what to do next year, whether I need to stake these or not. So we'll find out. I really don't want to trim these because they feel it's very thick. They really hold a lot of water. They're beautiful plants. I'm very curious about these guys. These guys are doing well. I'm not going to trim or do anything with them. These are my autumn joys. They still, even though they're little baby plants, look at how well they did. They've got the blooms and everything on them. So I'm not sure. This guy, we'll see what happens. He was the one that had the stalk that flowered over. But I'm not really cutting anything back to the ground yet. So I don't really know what to do. I've talked to my mom and my girlfriend Susan. Hi guys, hi Mom, hi Sue, I love you guys, love you. Both of you guys have suggested just cutting it to the ground, and that's probably what I'm going to do. I'm just not in the mood to do it today. We do have the rain coming, so maybe when everything gives a good soak, I'll be out here tomorrow. It ain't happening today though. So anyway, love you guys. We'll see where we end up. Have a good weekend. Bye. Full disclosure, I went to the bar for lunch. It was an Irish pub. There was a lot of beer. So the reason I'm not working in my garden is because of beer. Anyhow, it is what it is, right? I'm sure we've all been there. But anyway, there's my full disclosure moment for you. Until next time, thank you for watching, guys.